This is where I started, in a small town in Greenland called Upernavik. I have resigned from my job and I packed my life into 2 backpacks. My first flight took me to Ilulissat, which is about an hour away, depends on the weather. I will have a short stop, so I will spend my time with my family. The next morning I continued Ilulissat to Kangerlussuaq, which is about 40 minutes.
So pretty.
Then I got on a bigger plane, Kangerlussuaq to Copenhagen, which takes about 4 hours and 20 minutes-ish. Here we're gonna meet my very best friend, Annie. I arrived to Copenhagen. Looks nice. It's moist. I like the moist.
Oh, these nuts. Oh, it's crunchy. Oh, look at that. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. That's good.
To Italy! Great weather! Ej, prøv at se derovre.